Day 25. Yesterday you practiced setting your time zone. Today you're going to learn how your algorithm decides what currency it's actually counting in. Cash, profit, loss, all of it has to be measured in something. If your algorithm assumes the wrong currency, every number it reports could be misleading you without you even noticing. So, what is set account currency? Set account currency is the method you call in initialize to set the currency your algorithm uses to track cash, profit, and loss. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have pricing a menu in the wrong currency. On the right, set account currency. Imagine a restaurant menu listing prices, but never saying which currency. 20 means something very different if it's dollars versus pounds versus yen. The number on the page is meaningless until the currency is locked in. The menu here says, a number without a currency attached isn't really a price at all. Set account currency works exactly the same way. It locks in which currency your account's numbers are measured in, which in this case is. If you set account currency to USD, every cash balance and profit figure your algorithm reports is now in dollars, not some other currency. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of set account currency in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. Set account currency only affects how charts are colored, not how profit and loss are measured, true or false. And the correct answer is false. Set account currency directly determines the currency used to measure cash, profit, and loss throughout your algorithm.